If you're not a blush girl, this video might not be for you. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Vibe with C Beauty, and if you love anything soft glam, beauty tips and real girl makeup, you are in the right place. Before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So this was my sister's birthday, and I'm not even going to lie. The pressure was on like 100 and over 100 because she actually made this dress herself. So this makeup had to match that level of details. I moved on to the brows first. Always, I like shaping them into the desired look before anything else because it gives me direction and makes the whole process easier for me. Then I started with skin prep, very important because hydrated skin just makes everything sit better and last longer. I went in with micellar water to properly cleanse her skin. Nice, clean and fresh, exactly what we need before makeup. For this look, I was going for something soft, fresh but very blushy. Like that natural glow, but still giving it's my birthday energy. And of course, we are creating content in between because if you're not creating content, what are you even doing? As everything started coming together, I was like, okay, this is exactly the vibe I wanted. Now, here is the thing. How do you even know your skin prep is good? You have to understand the skin you are working on. Is it dry, oily, or matured skin type? Once you figure that out, it guides everything you use. For example, we have water-based moisturizer and cream-based moisturizer. Both are good, but you have to use them according to the skin type. Because for this look, I know I was going for something very blushy, and that means a lot of powder and layering of cream products. So my skin prep had to sit really well the skin for everything, or everything will just start shifting apart. Now for the blush, don't be scared. Usually, I will go in with just one blush for this look. I used about 3 different shades before concealer. I know it looks like a lot at first, but trust the process. We're also creating content in between because content must be created. And as everything started coming together, I was like, okay, I love this. This is exactly the vibe I wanted. Soft glam, flushed cheeks, radiant skin. And the final look, yeah, she ate actually, no crumbs. Make sure you watch this video till the end because there's lots to learn. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know, are you a blush girl or not? Thanks for watching.